How's it going, YouTube? Josh here back again, and haven't made a video in a little while because haven't really gotten any fireworks or anything. But today I did decide to make a poor man's rack, and this is what you see right over there. I think altogether it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 14 tubes. 4 are the new X-Cal tubes with the bottoms. 4 is lock and load. 4 is the HD shells, and only 2 pro shells because I ran out of room. And if you noticed, there's a little bit of room all the way at the end over there. I plan on putting like a 10-pound plate or something like that. I realized that about halfway in with it that I should have left some room on this side as well. But that's not a big deal. I can just lean some plates on both sides to counteract the weight just in case this thing tips, because I am going to be fusing all these together. And yeah, took me about an hour and a half to do. I just pre-drilled the holes. I have two screws in each base at both corners. I did not put 4 screws in because there's just no need. It's not going to go anywhere. I'll show you. Just lift it up. It's not going anywhere, I promise. And luckily I just had a board in my shed that I used to drill it in. The nails are a little too long, so they're kind of sticking out the bottom, but that's not a big deal. I might make some handles so that people don't stab themselves when they decide to move it. But other than that, really simple. Just a drill, pre-drilled the holes, and then I screwed in all the screws. So that's why it took me like an hour and a half to 2 hours. My hand is raw right now. It hurts. But yeah, I've been meaning to make a poor man's rack. I saw Goonies make a rack out of the Excalibur tubes, but I decided to use all the other tubes that I have with all the other fireworks that I have. I also have 2 more pro shell tubes left with 2 more electric rain tubes and 2 more red, white, and blue tubes. Those ones I'm not going to worry about. This is included in with my my 18-shot mortar rack that I bought from Power Boom, and I also have a milk crate one that I made. It's 9 shots. It has all my exterminator tubes in it, and the very middle one is an X-Cal. So yeah, that's it. So tell me what you guys think. Alright, thanks. Bye.